Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral maths question, very tricky one, but you have failed, but you don't fail and solve this correctly. Go in the comment section, write your answer. I will give them heart and I will solve stepwise for, for who don't understand. Okay, so here what given 2 plus parenthesis 3 plus 4 minus 3 square. We will do here PEMDAS. We will do PEMDAS. So first we will solve for this parenthesis part. So what will be an answer? 2 times 4 plus 3, that is 7 minus 3 square. Okay, now come for exponential part, that is 2 into 7 minus 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3, which give you the result 9 minus 9. And we got multiplication part, so we will multiply 2 into 7, that is equal to 14 minus 9, and which gives you 5. Okay, so 5 here will be the right answer. And if you want more math exercise, then subscribe channel and must check out our best books in the description. Thanks for watching.